No sentence ends with because is a conjunction. Yes, dear students, today I am going to deal with conjunctions, two conjunctions, because and because of, which are used to join statements with reasons. Statements and reasons, they can be connected with both the conjunctions because and because of. It means these two conjunctions, because and because of, they are used to show cause and effect relationship between the statements. The two statements, they have cause and effect relationship. When they have cause and effect relationship, we use because and because of. But there is a difference between the use of these two conjunctions. Because when we use because, we need a clause. We need a clause. Now what is a clause? Now what is a clause? Let me tell you. Let me show you the examples. I lost my key. I lost my key because I was careless. I lost my key because I was careless. See, I lost my key. This is one part. I was careless is another part. How many sentences are there? Can you tell me how many sentences are there? Yes, there is only one sentence. No, there are not two sentences. Only one sentence is. Only one sentence is there. You see, there is one full stop. There is one full stop means it's a single sentence. Yes, it's a single sentence, but it can be divided into two parts. This is a single sentence, but we can divide this into two parts. You see, the first part, I lost my key, and the second part, I was careless. I lost my key. You see, I is subject here. What is subject? I is subject. Lost, it is verb. Subject, I is subject, and lost is verb. In the second part, let's see again. I is subject and was is verb again. So in the first part, what we see, subject is there, verb is there. In the second part, if we see, I is subject again and was is verb again. It means clause is, so they are clause. It is a single sentence, but there are two clauses. It can be broken into two parts. Each part is a clause. The first part is I lost my key, and the second part is I was careless. So first part is a clause. Clause 1, I lost my key. It has a subject and verb. Again, second part is also a clause because it has subject I and verb was. So we can say clause is a part of sentence. A part of sentence having a subject and a verb. So these two clauses, they are joined by because conjunction, because it is conjunction, because is a conjunction. Now we can use clause after because. After because, we can use only clause. For example, you see, I went to bed early. I went to bed early because I was very tired. I went to bed early because I was very tired. After because, what is there? I was very tired. I is subject, was is verb. Similarly, he failed the exam. He failed the exam because he did not study well. he failed the exam because he did not study well. After because, what is there? He is subject, did not study, verb. Means after because we can use only clause. Means after because we can use subject and verb. Means you can say after because we can use sentence, you can say part of sentence or sentence itself after because. So let's see, now we find in all these sentences, let's see the four examples, four sentences. He failed the test because he was ill. First part, let's divide this into two parts. The first part is what? He failed the test. This is the first part. What is subject in the first part? He is subject. And what is verb? Failed is verb. So, subject is he, failed is verb in the first part. Because he was ill. So, the second part is what? He was ill. Again, he is subject, was is verb. Again, first clause, he failed the test, subject he, failed, verb. Second clause, he was ill, he is subject, was his verb. Now see the second sentence. She had an accident because she was driving carelessly. She had an accident. First clause, she had an accident, she is subject, had is verb. Second clause, she was driving carelessly. Second clause, she is subject again, subject, was driving, verb. Again, she was driving carelessly. Third sentence, the match was postponed because it was raining heavily. First part, the match is subject, was postponed, verb. Second part, because it was raining heavily. After because, it is subject, was raining, verb. Next, everyone loves Harshit because he is polite. Everyone loves Harshit. This is first part. Everyone is subject, loves is verb. Because he is polite, he is subject, is his verb. So what we notice here after these examples, because after because we can only use a clause, a complete clause. Now what is clause? You can say clause is subject and verb. Clause is the part of sentence or sentence itself, you can say. Part of sentence or sentence itself that has a subject and a verb. Subject verb, subject verb. Clause is a part of sentence or sentence itself that has a subject and verb. So, because पछि जहिले पनि हामी के युज गर्ने? सेन्टेन्स युज गर्ने, वाक्य युज गर्ने अथवा क्लज युज गर्ने. Is that clear? Subject, verb use गर्ने because पछि. But because of, let's say we can, if we write this sentence using because of, how to write? Can you tell me? He failed the test because he was ill. Now tell me the same sentence, join the same sentence that this he failed the exam, he failed the test because he was ill. Now join these two clauses with because of. What do you say? Yes, he failed the test because of his illness. We should say because of his illness. Now she had an accident because of her careless driving. Because of her careless driving. Now the match was postponed because of the heavy rain. It was raining heavily. Noun phrase is what? The heavy rain. Everyone loves Harshit because he is polite. He is polite. If we convert this into noun phrase, possessive phrase, then what it becomes? His politeness. he was ill, his illness. She was driving carelessly, her careless driving, because it was raining heavily. It was raining heavily, heavy rain. He is polite, his politeness. She is tired, her tiredness, and so on. Now I tell you, I elaborate you more clearly how noun phrase or possessive phrase are used after because of. So I have clearly mentioned, given you the examples that because, after because we need clause, we use clause. Clause means what? Clause means the part of sentence, or you can say sentence itself. Clause is a sentence having a subject and verb, and there can be object sometimes or not. Then because of is used with noun phrase. Noun phrase. Now what is noun phrase? Noun phrase, you see, because of his tiredness is noun phrase. Because of the heavy rain is phrase. Because of the landslides is phrase. Because of corona infection is phrase. Because of the growing population is phrase. So you see, his tiredness, the heavy rain, the landslides, corona infection, the growing population, these are all phrases. Now we can make sentence because of tiredness. He looks ill. He looks ill because he is very tired. Now we can say he looks ill because of his tiredness. He looks very ill. He looks ill because he is tired. Now we can say he looks ill because of his tiredness. So you see, because of the heavy rain, the river was overflowing. The river was overflowing because there was a heavy rain. Now we can say the river was overflowing because of the heavy rain. Now we can say the village was destroyed because there were landslides. We can say the village was destroyed because of the landslides. We can say many people are afraid. Many people are afraid because the corona infection is growing. Corona infection is spreading. Now many people are afraid because of corona infection. Many people are getting sick, getting ill. People are unable to work because corona infection is spreading. Now we can say many people are afraid, many people are unable to carry out their work because of corona infection. Now, because of the growing population, we are facing a number of problems. We are facing a number of problems because the population is growing. Now we can say we are facing a number of problems because of the growing population. So these are the ways of using because and because of. Remember, because पछि हामी जहिले पनि सेन्टेन्स को प्रयोग गर्छौं, तर because of पछि हामी पूरा सेन्टेन्स होइन नाउन फ्रेज को प्रयोग गर्छौं. जस्तै everybody loves Arav. Everybody loves Arav because he is very honest. Now we can say everybody loves Arav because of his honesty. Because of his honesty. Okay, so noun phrase is used with because of, and clause, with clause we use because. And now at last, let me tell you, we can just reverse the position of the clauses. Here, everyone passed the exam because the questions were very easy. Everyone passed the exam because the questions were very easy. We can also write in this way, because the questions were very easy, comma, everyone passed the exam. If we start our sentence with because, because the questions were very easy, this is one clause, there should be comma. एउटा क्लज कम्प्लिट गरेपछि यदि हामी बिकजबाट सुरु गर्छौँ भने, यदि हामी सेन्टेन्स बिकजबाट सुरु गर्छौँ भने एउटा क्लज कम्प्लिट भएपछि कमा, त्यसपछि अर्को क्लज, everyone passed the exam. You see the example, because the questions were very easy, everyone passed the exam. There is comma after easy. Similarly, you see, nothing is visible because of darkness. Nothing is visible because of darkness. Now we can say, because of darkness, comma, because of darkness, comma, nothing is visible. Means we can reverse the situation, we can reverse the statement or the clauses in this way. So we can either say everyone passed the exam because the questions were very easy, or we can say because the questions were very easy, everyone passed the exam. Everyone likes to go abroad because there is high chance of employment. Because there is high chance of employment, everybody likes to go abroad. Now, similarly, we can say the match was postponed because of the heavy rain. Now, just reverse the situation. Because of the heavy rain, comma, the match was postponed. In this way, we can use because and because of. I hope this video will be useful to you. Thank you very much. If you like the video, do comment, leave your suggestions and feedback in the comment box. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.